You see that? You see that? You see this? You see the apron and that? Yeah, I was looking professional in that. Yeah, I know you see the apron, man. I know you see it. It's black and white. I know you see it. It's in black and white. It's in your face. Yeah. This is a gift still, and I'm liking it. Sugarcane Shane, monster shit.
Mr. Sugarcane Shane Williams.
Peanut butter. I think it's one of them ones you either love it or hate it, innit? Probably a 50-50 even split. But me personally, I love that stuff, man. Okay, so we're starting off with 2 cups roasted and salted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of honey, bit more than a tablespoon if you want, 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use whatever you want.
It's cool, man. It's cool if you ain't got a food processor. It's fine. It's fine, man. All you need is a blender that's strong enough, innit? It's gotta be strong enough, because I ain't got a food processor, but I've got a decent blender. I think it's alright. It's strong enough to blend up peanuts into paste, creamy paste. Come on.
What I was trying to say is, this should be done in a food processor, but if you haven't got one, you just got a blender, then that can work too. This blender I'm using is not the one for the job, but I still got it done. Preferably use a blender with more of a wider base at the bottom with bigger blades. So I blended the peanuts a few times, pulsed it a few times, taking it off the base and shaking it. Got to this point now where it's like kind of turning into dust. Just gotta keep blending, man. Stop it every now and again. Turn the peanuts over around the blade, make sure it's all getting blended. After a couple of minutes, the oils will start releasing from the peanuts, and you're ready to press it with your fingers like that. Okay, so we're getting there. You can see that smooth, pasty texture coming along. Gonna keep blending for a bit longer. If you like it smooth, then just keep blending, man. Keep blending till it gets smooth. If you like it crunchy like me, then you can stop right here. Yo, I appreciate you watching my video, you know. Thanks for watching my video, man. Please like it if you liked it, comment and subscribe.
That's called peanut butter. I made it just now. That's dumb. The licking the lips thing is dumb. Don't do that again. It's all wobbling and that. Mad.